You unhappy?
It's taking like... What the hell? What did I step in that's wet?
Uh-oh. Looking for a pee spot.
She's getting upset.
She is?
Yes.
Okay.
Because she's done a water change. She put bottled water in it. She changed out the filter. She needs...
Did she clean the rock?
I'm sure she did.
Only you can make this puppy feel at home. Hey, little Yoshi. Magway. I'm thinking, dude, he seriously does remind me of a gremlin looking at him. Either that or a freaking Ewok.
All of them sure remind you of that.
No. Kane reminds me of a Wookiee. I'll help her with her fishies. What the fishies? Oh, the fishies are looking for food. Doo-doo. Doo-doo.
What, Yoshi? Drop it like a tot.
Drop it like a tot. Drop it like a tot. If a dog's gotta go poo, drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Feed me, feed me, feed me. Bleh, bleh, bleh. No, I object. Yeah. What did you drop the dog?
So, I'm doing this, right?
Uh-huh. And you walked him right off.
Don't just let him go. Oh, shit.
I'm making your fish talk. Hello, 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 hello. I object, I object. It increases the chances of you having clear water if you have more bubbles aerating the water because it helps filter the water.
He's right.
It's alright. I really don't like you very much.
Videotape this.
Put it hole. They would say, what is that freaking red dot right there? I really hate that red dot. Oh my gosh, get it out of my eyes. Drop it like it's hot.